Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Shantae McLean here, and I'm back again to bring you another quick video. So in this video, I just want to take you inside of the Infinity Processing System Proof Group and just kind of take you on a quick tour and show you that this system is still working, guys. We are getting people who are signing up every single day. People are making money in the Infinity Processing System every single day. People have seen the value of it. They're getting started and they are seeing results. And so I just wanted to hop on here real quick and take you through our proof group and just show you that it's still going on and it's still working and people are making money and seeing results. Excuse me, guys. All right, so like I say, we have two groups. We have a proof group and we have a training group. So if you get started with our system, you will get access to the training group as well as the proof group. Okay. But just wanted to take you on a quick tour and show you. This is 21 hours ago. It says, "Hi team, please welcome Heron Skip Crawford Jr. To the team." That is some training. This is our owner, Adriana, and this is one of our rock stars, James Farmer. He is crushing it in this system, guys. It's also my sponsor. But see, this is him. He's welcoming Deborah Gonzalez. She 6 hours ago, he welcomed her to the team. Again, James is welcoming Albertina. I think that's Albertina. Welcome Albertina 8 hours ago. See what I'm saying? 2 hours ago, Adriana welcoming Barbara. Okay. We have a Jennifer who's welcoming. I am not gonna mess this lady name up. I think it's a lady. Agelio Gia. Okay, welcome her to the team. I ain't trying to mess her name up. But as you can see, this was let's see, when was this one? This one was 2 hours ago. Then we have March 4th. We welcome Christina to the team from James Farmer. You see, I'm just taking you through the group, showing you that 22 hours ago, we're welcoming Clara Woodard. The system works, guys. If you follow what is inside of this system, you will get results. You will see results, but you got to be consistent. You got to be focused, and you got to keep going. And these people are getting results. Martha is getting results. She's welcoming Go. I guess that's correct. She's welcoming someone else, Rahab. See what I'm saying? So people are seeing results, and then it's even not. You know how some companies you see it's like the same people. These are not even the same people. These are different people seeing results. Tracy Fryer, welcome. This was at 12:04. James Farmer, he's a rock star. He bringing people all day. Shalomik Pinnock, welcome to the team. You see what I'm saying? This is all day. He welcomed someone yesterday. Natalia's welcome, showing results. James welcoming Devon. Got another member, Roland. Aaron's welcoming someone. You see what I'm saying? So this system really does work if you put in the work, okay? I just wanted to take you real quick through the group and show you some of these systems. People say, oh, it's so many people joining. Oh, it doesn't work anymore. This system works. You see all these people that's been added to this group saying, welcome to the team. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Some people are here to check it out and see. Some people have joined. So if you are interested in seeing like how things work, or if you want to take more of a deeper tour of the proof group, you can message me and I can get you added to this group. And this is people who have expressed interest. They have seen what we're doing and they want to know more about it. So if that's you and you want to take a tour of this group, definitely hop in and check this out. You see, people are, Eugene, check out the group. Check out the group. Some people have joined and some people are here to check out the group. Let me put it that way. So I ain't gonna say all these people are joining. Some of these people are here to check the group out and some people have gotten started. Help me welcome Helen. She's here to check everything out. She wants to see what's happening. Welcome Nico. Check out the testimonials. Let me know when you're ready. You see what I'm saying? So if you want to come in, you want to check out the site and see what's what, you're more than welcome. Just send me a message and I will get you added to the proof group and you can come in here and look around. Look at this. Hey, IPS Denise to the group. Welcome to the group. Check out the testimonial video and the pin post. Welcome Lamar. He's interested in joining so he can get 100% commission. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna back up. I'm gonna bag back and say there are people here that's looking around and there are people here that join. So I'm gonna bag. I'm not gonna say everybody this action is has joined because I'm gonna bag that up. I don't want to make it seem like because I forgot this is the proof group, not the trader group. But some of these people have joined and some of these people are looking around to join. But that still shows you that what is being taught is working because it's piquing these people's interest and making them want to see what we have to offer. They want to check out the group because more than likely they're gonna join. They want to look and see. A lot of people like, oh, is this real? Is people really make money? So they want to join a proof group to see if what we're saying is really real and this is really happening. People are really making money. People are really joining. People are really generating leads using Infinity Processing. See, Jessa wants to check out the group and see if she wants to get started. Denise wants to check this out and see. You see what I'm saying? And so if you want to get into the proof group and look around and check it out, reach out to me, or you can message me on Facebook. Wherever you're watching this video, you can leave a comment below and I'll get you the information you need to get inside the group. If you decide you just want to go ahead and join Infinity Processing System, check in the description. I will have the link, or send me a message on Facebook. I have all that in my description, my phone number, my Facebook, got all that information for you guys. So just wanted to get on here and show you that the proof group works. People are checking it out. People are joining, and we're generating leads using Infinity Processing System, and that the system is working and it's attracting people to want more information about the system, guys. So all right, y'all, check it out and reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, y'all. Bye.